Hello, and welcome to this quick video on how to install the Somfy lithium-ion solar panel. Let's start by seeing what is in the box. Product packaging contains one wire-free lithium-ion solar panel, a pair of 4-inch mounting brackets, a pair of shorter 2-inch mounting brackets, 2 long wood screws, 2 shorter self-tapping screws for headrail mounting, glass mount adhesive, an alcohol wipe for prepping the surfaces before application, and an instruction manual. The lithium-ion solar panel can be used in 2 scenarios. With a lithium-ion embedded battery motor, in this case, the panel connector plugs directly into the motor port located on the motor head, or with an external lithium-ion battery motor via a rechargeable lithium-ion battery pack. This is the scenario we will show you in this video. Before installing the panel, let's explore our options. The solar panel can be mounted using the brackets, shorter or longer, mounted to the window frame with the long wood screws, on a headrail, if there is one, also using the best-fitting brackets and shorter self-tapping screws, or directly onto the glass using the adhesive. To find a mounting option that is optimal for maximum sunlight exposure, and therefore the best charging performance, bring the solar panel to your window and try different placements. Regardless of which mounting option you choose, please make sure you can reach either the motor or the battery to connect the solar panel. In our case, using the brackets is not ideal, so we will mount the solar panel directly to the glass using adhesive strips. We made sure the panel wouldn't be in the way when opening the window. Prep both the glass surface and the panel by wiping them with the provided alcohol wipe. Let it dry, and then apply the double-sided adhesive to the 4 corners of the solar panel bezel. Check the mounting location again, and once sure of the placement, remove the protective film from the tape, place on the glass, and firmly press for 10 to 15 seconds. Complete bonding will take about 24 hours. Now, connect the panel to the battery pack and tuck away any excess wire if necessary. The solar panel converts sunlight into energy to trickle charge the battery. The energy is stored in the high-capacity lithium-ion battery, providing uninterrupted service to the motorized window covering. It is normal for the battery to gain more energy in summer than in winter months. You are now ready to harness the energy of the sun. Enjoy your solar-powered motorized window covering. Thanks for watching. Visit us on somfysystems.com for more information.